Hello everyone, welcome back to Bootsec. In this video, we are going to talk about a common web vulnerability called IDOR, stands for Insecure Direct Object Reference. If you're learning ethical hacking, starting for bug bounties, or working in cybersecurity, this is something you must understand. And we will also show you a live demonstration so that you can see exactly how it works. First of all, we need to understand what is IDOR. IDOR happens when a website lets user access or change information just by changing a number or ID in the URL. Let me explain with an example. Imagine a website shows your profile at a link like this. Example.com. This is the website's domain name. Slash profile is the profile page with an ID parameter and the value is 101. This is your user ID. What if you changed your user ID 101 to 102 in the link and it's open another user profile, right? That means the site is not checking properly if you are allowed to see the data. That's an IDOR vulnerability. In this case, what's the problem? The problem is attackers can view private data, maybe can change others users' information or even can take over their account. Some bug bounty hunters have earned thousands of dollars by finding this bug on real websites. So if you are into bug bounty hunting, this is an important skill to learn. Okay, let's do a live demonstration. Let's logging into a simple website using two demo accounts. First one is user 1 and other one is user 2. User 1 is an attacker account and user 2 is victim account. I am just logged in the attacker account in my Firefox and logged in the victim account in my Chrome browser. After we logging as an attacker, we visit the profile edit page. Look at the URL. It's something like this slash account slash user profile slash 258. Did you see that? The number is the user profile ID. Now I'm gonna log in into victim profile and we will find out the user ID of the victim profile in the same way. We will go to the profile edit page and look at the URL to find out the user ID. Here we can see that the user ID of the victim account is 259. Now we will do one thing, that is we will now change the name of the victim account from our attacker profile. For that, first go to our attacker account and change the user ID from 258 to 259 in the URL. Here we just replaced our user ID with the victim user ID and see if we can make any changes to the victim account. Here you can see we are now in the victim account profile edit page. From here we can change the victim name. The current account name is Joker. I will change it to something like you are hacked, so we know that the account has been changed or modified. Here I just changed the name from Joker to hacked. Now let's see is these changes are implemented in the victim account successfully or not. Here we can clearly see the name of the victim account is successfully changed. That's mean we are able to edit the victim account. This problem is confirmed that the vulnerability is worked and we have just take control over the account details. Let's see how we can stop this kind of attacks in our website. Make sure these 4 bullet points are properly implemented in our website. First one is the user has permission to do what they are trying to do. Second one is don't relay the user ID in the URL for web security. Third one is using a user ID like a random ID or token so that no one can able to guess it. And the last but not the least, fourth one is build a rule based access control on the server. Always verify who is making the request and what they are allowed to do. Never trust any data just because it comes from the browser or URL. And that's all for today's video. I hope this demonstration is really help you to understand the IDOR vulnerability and why it's important to secure in your web application. If you are learning bug bounty hunting or penetration testing, then you can visit our channel for more videos on these topics. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Bootsec for more ethical hacking demonstration and training. Leave a comment which topic will be next.